Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Medikube Collagen Jelly Cream. First, let's get your skin ready. Begin by cleansing your face to remove any makeup or dirt, ensuring a fresh canvas. Next, apply your favorite toner to balance your skin's pH. This step is crucial for preparing your skin to fully absorb the cream's beneficial ingredients. Make sure your skin is slightly damp, not soaking wet, for the best application. Now, let's apply the cream. Using the small spatula provided, scoop out a pea-sized amount of the Medikube Collagen Jelly Cream. This is usually enough for your entire face and neck. Gently dot the cream onto key areas: your forehead, both cheeks, your chin, and your neck. Then, using your fingertips, gently spread the cream in an upward and outward motion, ensuring even coverage. After spreading the cream, take a moment to help it absorb deeply. Lightly pat your entire face with your fingertips for about 30 seconds. This gentle tapping motion helps the collagen penetrate your skin more effectively. You can also perform gentle upward strokes, especially along your jawline and neck, to support skin firmness. Give the cream about 2 to 3 minutes to fully absorb before moving on to any other skincare steps or makeup. For optimal results, incorporate the Medikube Collagen Jelly Cream into your routine twice a day, both in the morning and evening. Consistent application is key to unlocking its full potential. With regular use, you'll notice improved skin elasticity and a reduction in the appearance of fine lines. This cream works to deliver deep hydration, leaving your skin feeling plumper, smoother, and looking more radiant over time. Enjoy your revitalized skin.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.